Namaskara. So far, we have witnessed the method of teaching of various mathematical concepts using learning tools. Now, let us take a look at the methods of teaching factors and multiples in this video. Factors and multiples are subjects taught to the students of higher grades. This topic is easy to learn for children who have learnt multiplication and division well. Let us look at the method of doing this using the learning tools. NCERT has given us guidelines about the topics for learning. Factors and multiples are considered as the next step of multiplication and division. Factors and multiples have different names in regional languages. Normally, we use factors and multiples even in our everyday life quite often. However, in this video, I will, as in other videos, use only the English terms. This could be considered as an abstract concept, but still, this is used in many situations. Hence, learning this is very important. And also, in higher grades, indivisible numbers, prime numbers, they will learn them. When they learn them, factors, concept should be strong and sound. Then it will be easy for them. Therefore, a strong foundation has to be laid in the primary level and then proceed.